Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The VAX.
As long as wagid kita labot sang herd immunity, sige-sige gini siya. And we have to protect always ourselves so that we can also protect our family, especially pa mga tanan bala pareha sa aton nga nagagwa because may mga ubra kita. Kung magpuli kita, kinahanglan proteksyonan tagid naton pamilya by always taking a shower, washing ourselves, getting rid of our clothes para nga mahugasan man to. Kag hindi tanay magpalapit sa mga elderly naton, mga lola naton kag lolo, kag sa mga gamay nga kabataan because we'll never know kung may naistorya kita nga positive gali. Kapoy siguro yes, but helpless no because ang aton nga COVID team ara permi gaupod sa akon. Ang COVID team tagin expand tani to include all the health officers of the different districts. And para sa akon as long as there are people who are helping me, do hindi man makapoy, though hindi pa man kita makalabot siguro sa sitwasyon nga helpless na gid kita. Kapoy, yes, iti, sobra na ni 1 year. And tanan kita ga face mask, tanan kita ga social distancing. I think because of the vaccines, gamat-amat na balik ni sa normal. Well, we always go back to our families, ara permi aton nga pamilya nag-support sa aton. Kag ang isa gidyang source of strength ang ilonggo. Kaya nakita tang ilonggo basta may problema gani tanan ga binuligay, tawagan na yung mga mayor sa akon sa iban nga mga munisipyo bla. Kaya nga pangayo sila guide kung paano makabakal vaccines. Gabulig kita, because I think some of our mayors are really finding it difficult, nga mag-access ng vaccines para sa ila. Nag-preparar kita para sa mga 7,000 to 8,000 nga mga vaccines, all Sinovac, hatag ni sang national government, donated by the Republic of China, and will be given to the people in the priority list. May patata katapos ang mga nalista dito ngara sa priority list. We go on with what we're doing. We're strengthening our compliance team, but at the same time, sige naton nga vaccination, together with our team sa grupo ni Francis Cruz, ang registration balas ang tanan nga mapabakuna because we need to be ready once the vaccines come. May mga ang aton nga AstraZeneca will be coming either June or July. Ang iban to gina-istoryata pa, Janssen, Novavax, and Gamaleya. Parang ready kita, and when the time comes, we will have enough for the residents of Iloilo. And not only for the residents of Iloilo, but for everyone who is working here in Iloilo. Kaya katbalaan taman-tanan, we are a regional center. All the malls are here. All the call centers are here. all the banks are here, and we know for a fact that not everyone working here are from the city. Pangayo gid ko tani isang kooperasyon sang tanan. The vaccines are already starting to come in. Ang ini mga donated vaccines ni from China and from the COVAX of WHO. That is why may ara kita Sinovac, may ara kita Astra. Ang aton national government nagpamakalman, and slowly, I think starting next month, malabot na ni Abril, no? And then ang city government may ara man nga ginpamakal nga vaccines, malabot man ni starting June or July. So gapangayo gid ko sa tanan, let us try to ensure that we will be ready for the vaccination. The only way that we can go back to the old normal, or maybe to a better normal, is by allowing ourselves to be vaccinated so that we can protect ourselves and our families.